Hi, Dr. McDaniel. I did my article presentation on 7 important German gestures with body language tips. I retrieved this from www.fluentu.com/blog/German/German gestures. The first German gesture explained in this article was pressing your thumbs for luck. In the United States, we say, I cross my fingers for luck. In Germany, they say, I press my thumbs for luck in this measure. Instead of doing this like we do in the United States, they just press their thumb for luck. That's so. Another gesture is pressing your forehead. So if, say you're in a classroom or in a social setting where there's someone talking about a certain topic and you don't agree or you think the speaker is just speaking nonsense, people just press their forehead. The third gesture mentioned in this article is waving your hand in front of your face. This goes with pressing your forehead, and it's more of a joking matter where if you're talking to a friend and you think they're just being silly or you're trying to say, you gotta be kidding me, they just they do this measure. And then another one is hands in your pocket. In the United States, we put our hands in the pocket and we're talking to people, we're relaxed, we're comfortable, we're not trying to be offensive at all. In Germany, the speaker interprets this as very offensive. It's the equivalent of, giving someone the middle finger in the United States. So it's very offensive. The fifth gesture mentioned in this article was pulling the lower eyelid down. This is dealing with tone in your conversation. So in the United States, we're able to use our tone to emphasize the sarcasm that, in our conversations. Well, in Germany, this sarcasm and this tone actually gets lost in the language. So people emphasize their sarcasm by pulling the lower eyelid down like so. The sixth gesture mentioned in this article is a thumbs up sign. So in the United States, when we're saying, okay, great, good job, we give people a thumbs up. Well, in Germany, they use their fingers to count. So instead of interpreting this as good job, great, they're interpreting this as the person wants one of something. So it's very important to know that that gesture is for counting and not for giving people a good job. And the seventh and final gesture is the okay sign. This is a very offensive sign in Germany. In the United States, we're saying, okay, great, it goes in line with the thumbs up sign. Well, in Germany, this is interpreted as two different ways. The first way is you're referencing someone and comparing them with a disgusting bodily function. And the second one is you're basically telling the person that they're worthless. So these 7 gestures are very important in understanding just because they're the flip side of the United States. So it's very important to know. That way you don't come across as offensive and rude. Thank you.